You can achieve a dazzling smile and super strong teeth without ever leaving your house, and I'll show you how to do it. Did you know that 1 in 4 adults suffer from tooth decay? Yup, that's a crazy statistic! If you're one of those folks worried about your dental health, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into something super important: strong teeth. Having a solid dental care routine at home can really make a difference. So, let's get into how you can keep your pearly whites in tip-top shape without stepping foot in a dentist's office. All right, let's talk about the common dental issues we all face. Cavities, gum disease, and bad breath are just a few that can really take a toll on our overall health. Did you know that poor oral health can lead to problems beyond just your mouth? That's right! It can affect your heart, diabetes, and even your mood. It's wild how interconnected our body systems are. If you're not taking care of your teeth, you might end up with more than just a toothache. So it's super important to be proactive about dental care at home. Now let's explore some at-home strategies to strengthen those teeth. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth, like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.